Bomb Crater, Keoka by Charles Harmon. Welcome committee makes you feel right at home, friendly, at ease. But what's with the pitchforks and why is it so goddamn hot? He holds up 7 missing fingers, mumbles Korea. I give him an elbow bump with what's left of my arm. She thinks my scars look badass. Good thing she can't see the ones hidden deep inside. Playing sad violin, standing in the bomb crater, wanting to believe lightning never strikes twice in the same place. Under a low sky, grayness presses down on my spirit. Longing to see bright stars, I create them out of mind.